Alright, happy Friday guys. I am off again for a Friday night drive. I got called earlier today. I got a call just recently from my cousin, and his wife and kid are out of the country, so naturally we're gonna hang out. And it's been a while. I think just in general, once everyone gets to this age and whatnot, once kids and family, everything get involved, it's just a little bit harder to hang out with each other. All right, it is 1 o'clock. Going home now, hanging out with my cousin, catching up about life, family, kids. Like, I'd love to do a highway pull, but the amount of paranoia I have with hidden cops and highway patrol hiding. We're on. People don't stand a chance against this car. Oh man, I got an adrenaline rush, guys. Oh wow, that was fun. But like I said, people don't stand a chance. This car is fast. We're burning through all my petrol that I've saved. So I'm currently sitting on 360 kilometers and I still got a quarter tank left. So should have done that, but like I said, a little bit of a quick fun versus a Sirocco R. Sirocco, I think it's called Sirocco or Sirocco R. I don't know what it's called, but like I said, P-platers don't want this smoke, so just remember, you see a JDM DC2 on the freeway on Princess Highway, do not mess around with it. Alright, that's it for me guys. That's a little bit of fun, but yeah, alright, good night.